Battery detector. Cars, trucks, battery cars, generators, suitable for 1-2V batteries. Product accessories display, packing box, manual, battery detector with alligator clip. Automobile battery testing. The detector has a reverse connection protection function, prompting that the positive and negative electrodes of the alligator clip are connected in reverse. Clamp the positive and negative electrodes of the battery with an alligator clip to test the state of the battery when the car is not started. Start the car to measure the generator status. The green light indicates good voltage. Battery testing for battery cars. Test the battery status of the battery car under static conditions. The blue light indicates a high voltage. Static battery detection. The red light indicates low power. Please replace the battery promptly. The white light indicates no electricity.